Second coffee is my own coffee. With sugar. Wala ko yung white mocha, so adjust na gamay. I'm trying the ILLY pods. Kay lamian ko niya last time. So anyways, 3 shots. 4 shots on tawat. Sige, 3 shots na lang. First shot. Second shot. Third shot. I'm using regular milk, not almond milk. Fat-free, kay walay full fat. And then with brown sugar ako ang double ice shaken brown sugar kay wala ko'y white mocha. Another akong 3 shots. Mag-add kog ice, but I think I need to add. Kalimot ko pila ka sugar. Wait. 2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon ra jud. Itina ko. 2. Okay, nag 3 shots man ko. Okay. And then I'm gonna add the ice. Wait. Ice. See? See? Shake! Okay na to. Look at that. Look. Oh! Okay guys, mag-retire na ako. Mag-walis na ako. Mag-apply ng Starbucks. Look! Double ice shaken with brown sugar. Taste test. Legit. Masaway lang yung masuti ko. Wait lang Buklami siya buki. I'm so proud of myself. Cheers! Cheers po ang hugason. I swear mo nang mas lami mo palit sa gawas kaysa maghimo. Kay daghan kag hugason.